Here's how you can sell tickets on Eventbrite. So if you have an event, whether it's digital or physical, here's how you can sell tickets for that event. So to do this, first you will need to create an event. To do that, go to eventbrite.com and click create an event. After you create your event, you can then go to the email in the top right and then click manage my events. That will take you to a list of the events that you have. So for example, I have this one right here. Now from here, I can just click events in the left section since I'm now in the organizer page of Eventbrite. So click events right there. Then here again, you will see your events. Now just going to click on the event. And from here, you will get a link. So click copy link right there. And now I'll just open this up in an incognito tab. And now you will see the landing page for your Eventbrite event. So now when somebody lands on this page, they can choose how many tickets they want. For example, right here, they can choose they want 3 tickets, then click checkout. And now here they need to enter their billing information and pay for the tickets, and then they will get them delivered into their email inbox. Now after they buy those tickets, in the orders section right here in your Eventbrite account, you will be able to see that, and you can also see who bought them and you can see buyer info. So now you know how to sell tickets on Eventbrite. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.